Want to duplicate a post in WordPress using Elementor? Let me walk you through the process so you can do it quickly. But before that, I'd request you to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Now, start by opening your browser and going to the back end of your WordPress site. From the left menu, click on Posts and then All Posts. You'll see a list of all your published posts. Don't do anything just yet. Just notice one thing. There's no button here that lets you duplicate or copy any post. So first, go to Plugins. Then, add New Plugin. And after that, search for Duplicate Page plugin in the search field. Once you locate that in the search results, install and activate the plugin. Once you do that, you can see this new plugin has been automatically listed on your plugins page. Now, go back to Posts and then All Posts. You'll now see a Duplicate This button next to each post. Click it to create a copy. The post will appear as a draft, not published yet. Click Edit to update the title, permalink, and any other changes. Once you're done, just click Publish. You see now the post, which you duplicated, has been published on your site with your updated name and permalink. Meanwhile, I've added my Elementor affiliate link below. If you're planning to buy it, using my link helps me out. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others. See you in the next one.